discover this secret home-made bug repellent recipe. As the warm weather settles in, spending time outdoors becomes more appealing. However, one common annoyance during this time is dealing with pesky bugs and insects. While there are numerous commercial bug repellents available in the market, many contain chemicals that can be harmful to human health and the environment. Fortunately, there is an alternative solution, a homemade bug repellent recipe using natural ingredients. In this video, we will explore a simple and effective recipe to help you enjoy your outdoor activities bug-free. To create your homemade bug repellent, you will need the following ingredients. 1. Essential oils. Choose from citronella, lemongrass, lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, or tea tree oil. These oils have properties that repel insects. 2. Carrier oil. Olive oil, coconut oil, or jojoba oil can be used as a carrier for the essential oils. 3. Distilled water. This will help dilute the mixture and provide a sprayable consistency. 4. Optional ingredients. You may add a few drops of neem oil or witch hazel extract for added insect-repelling properties. Instructions. Follow these simple steps to create your homemade bug repellent. 1. Mix the ingredients. In a clean spray bottle, combine 10 to 12 drops of your chosen essential oils with 2 tablespoons of the carrier oil. If desired, add a few drops of neem oil or witch hazel extract. 2. Shake well. Close the spray bottle and shake vigorously to ensure the oils are thoroughly mixed. 3. Add water. Open the spray bottle and fill the remaining space with distilled water, leaving some room at the top for shaking. 4. Shake again. Close the spray bottle and shake well to blend all the ingredients together. 5. Test and adjust. Before applying the repellent to your skin, perform a patch test on a small area to check for any sensitivity or adverse reactions. If necessary, adjust the ratio of essential oils and carrier oil to suit your preference. Usage. Now that your homemade bug repellent is ready, here are some tips for usage. 1. Apply before heading outdoors. Spray the repellent on exposed skin, avoiding sensitive areas such as eyes and mouth. You can also apply it to your clothing for added protection. 2. Reapply as needed. The effectiveness of the repellent may vary depending on the environment and activity level. Reapply every 2-3 hours or as necessary. 3. Store properly. Keep the repellent in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. It is recommended to make a fresh batch each season for optimal effectiveness. Benefits. Using a homemade bug repellent offers several advantages. 1. Natural and non-toxic. The recipe contains natural ingredients that are safe for you and the environment without the harmful chemicals found in commercial products. 2. Cost-effective. Making your own bug repellent can be more budget-friendly compared to purchasing commercial options. 3. Customizable. You can adjust the scent and potency by experimenting with different essential oil combinations to find the one that suits you best. With this simple homemade bug repellent recipe, you can enjoy your time outdoors without the nuisance of bugs and insects. By using natural ingredients, you protect your health and the environment while gaining an effective alternative to commercial bug repellents. So, gather your ingredients, mix up a batch, and embrace the great outdoors with confidence and comfort. Happy bug-free adventures. Happy